This is John with Ocean Breeze's Home Inspections. I just want to take a quick minute and show you what we've come across in this particular home. It's a townhouse, beach home. It has a brand new metal roof on the outside and a lot of work done inside. It looks fairly nice, but we get up here in the attic and this is one of the bathroom exhaust fans, and you can see they completely covered that. So it's exhausting into the attic. There's the plumbing vent. Did the same thing. They just covered right up with the roof. Didn't put any new vents through. They just cut them right off. That's not an afterthought. They just hacked it right off there, put new sheathing and new metal on the roof, and didn't even think twice about venting anything back out through. There's also another one down there a little bit further. We can get to it real quick here. And some wiring that was disconnected, and it's just laying. And when I found this wiring was laying down here in the insulation. Fire waiting to happen, because yeah, they're still hot. But then there's the other one, same thing. Once again, it's John from Ocean Breeze's Home Inspections. And just another reason why if you're in the market looking at new homes or pre-owned homes, you need to make sure you have a professional home inspection done. There's many different reasons why, even when it looks like somebody has done some nice updates, and they did do a very nice job on the roof outside, but they cut some corners. And I'm sure the current homeowner is not aware of this. You know, this buyer is going to want this fixed, and the current homeowner will probably go back after the roofing company that did that. So anyhow, John with Ocean Breezes. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you next time.